Good morning everyone. Let's start our class. Okay children, our next topic is expand form and short form. See here, expand form means we have to expand the given number. If this is the number 36,589. So if this is the number, we have to expand this number. This, if you look this number, this is like this much amount, this amount. So we have to expand this number into large quantity. The value is same after expansion, but in different times we have to write in expand form. Short form means this is the short form of the number. So here some expand forms are given, means some bold forms are given. So we have to write that number in the short form. See one example for expand form. Write this number in expanded form. As in expanded form means we have to expand the number. See here 36,589 we have. If you observe here, it is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. So 3 in 10,000s place. So we can write this 3 in 10,000s place as 36,589 equal to 3 in 10,000s place. That's why 3 10,000s we have. We have how many 10,000s? We have 3 10,000s. So 3 10,000s. We have to add each and every number. Then only we get 36,589. So plus how many thousands we have? In thousands place we have 6. Then how many thousands we have? 6,000s. 6,000s. Plus next place is hundreds na. So how many hundreds we have? 500s. 500s. We have 500s plus 8 tens. 8 tens. Plus 9 ones. 9 ones. So now I am writing this as the 3 into 10,000. So 10,000 I am writing in number form. Plus we have 3 and 10,000. So 3 into 10,000 na. And 6 what? 1,000. So 6 into 1,000. Plus 5 into 100. Plus 8 into 10. Plus 9 into 1. So 3 into 10,000 means what? 3 into 10,000 equal to 30,000. Plus 6 into 1,000 equal to 6,000. Plus 5 into 100 equal to 500. And 8 into 10 equal to 80. 9 into 1 equal to 9. So this is the expanded form of the given number 36,589. Okay, like this we have to expand the number. Okay, now I am starting the exercise. We have to solve exercise problems now. So, see here children, exercise 1.4, first problem. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. So we have to write these numbers in the expanded form. So what is the first number here? 76,854 is the first number. So what is we have to write? We have to do in first step 854 it is. So first number is 7. 7 is in 10,000s place. We have how many 10,000s? 7 10,000s. Okay. Plus we have to add each and every number, each and every value we have to add. So 6 is in thousands place. We have to how many thousands? We have 6,000s. Plus how many hundreds we have? 800s. So 800s. Plus how many tens? 5 tens. So 5 tens. Plus 4 ones. So 7 10,000s means what? 7 10,000s means we have to multiply 7 into 10,000 only. 7 10,000s means what? 7 10,000s means we have to multiply 7 and 10,000. So 6,000s means what? We have to multiply 6 and 1,000 and 800s means 8 into 100. 5 tens means 5 into 10. 4 ones means 4 into 1. So 7 into 10,000 equal to 70,000. 6 into 1,000 equal to 6,000. And 8 into 100 equal to 800. 5 into 10 equal to 50. 4 into 1 equal to 4. This is the expanded form of 76,854. Okay. Now see the second problem. 4,35,672. Same as the previous one. See here 4,35,672. In this number, how many lakhs we have? So in dash plus we have 4, means we have 4 lakhs. Plus how many 10,000s? 3 10,000s. How many thousands we have? We have 5,000s now. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So it is in thousands place. So we have 5,000s. And how many hundreds we have? 6 hundreds. And 7 tens. And also 2 ones. So 4 into 4 lakhs means 4 into 1 lakh. And 3 10,000s means 3 into 10,000. And 5,000s means 5 into 1,000. And 600s means 6 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 2 into 1. So 4 into 1 lakh is equal to 4 lakhs. 3 into 10,000 equal to 30,000. 5 into 1,000 equal to 5,000. 6 into 100 equal to 600. 7 into 10 equal to 70. 2 into 1 equal to 2. This is the expanded form of 4,35,672. Okay children, now I will give some homework problems in this model. Okay, see here I gave 6 numbers here. Write the expanded form for these 6 numbers. Okay children, thank you children, bye. See you in next class.